Do you want to open a UK bank account in just 5 minutes by sitting at your home?
You can choose to apply with Lloyds, Barclays, or any other bank in the UK, but I personally applied to HSBC Bank, hence today I'm going to show you how to open an account with them. To open your account, just type in Open HSBC account in the UK. After you come to the main page, just scroll down and you'll see the different type of bank accounts that HSBC Bank offers. You need to apply for a normal current account. When you click on it, you will land on the eligibility page, and this is where all the rules are written. Just go through these and read through any documents that you need. After this, we will start our application process. As you can see, there are 5 steps, so I will walk you through the steps today. The first step is entering your personal details. So you need to enter your email address, you need to enter your title, your first name, if you had any previous names, your gender, your date of birth, your place of birth, nationality. I'm an Indian, so I will choose India, your marital status, any dependent kids that you have. For the purpose of this video, I have either given wrong information or I have covered the information just for security purposes. When you click on continue, you will land on the second page of the application, which is the contact details. You need to enter your phone number. You need to put in your current residential address, which would be United Kingdom. You need to find your address. You can either type it out here or you can enter manually. Then you need to choose your residential status. So you would be a tenant. So you would be a tenant if you are an international student, or you would be living in a halls of residence. When did you move into this address? Just enter when you've moved in. They would ask you where you lived before this, so enter that address. Then when you click on continue, you will land on the financial details page. In employment, you can choose full-time education if you are an international student in the UK. You can enter your course end date. The income would be 0 because you're currently a student. Then choose no for the money that will be coming to your account. Tax residency would be UK only. Then the fourth step is using your account. So they want to know what is the reason that you want to create this account and for what purposes you would be using it. So under main reason, you can put in personal finances. If you have non-HSBC credit cards, you can enter that. You can give details about your first deposit. That is, how is it that you're going to transfer your first set of deposit in the account? Is it going to be cash? Is it going to be transfer from another account? You have to enter how much cash you would be initially depositing to your account or transferring to your account, and from where these funds are going to originate. After that, the last step is reviewing all the information that you have written. Just go through everything, click on the terms and conditions, any consents that they're asking, and click the submit button. Once you've submitted, you have already applied to open a bank account in UK, and somebody from the HSBC bank will contact you, and that's it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you are planning to move to the UK anytime soon, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to check out more informational videos on UK. Thank you and see you next time.